Hello guys. Salam dostlar. The first lesson of Kazakh language. So let's get started with Kazakh alphabet. The first letter A. A. The second E. E. So the third B. B. Fourth D. D. And Y. Number 5 Y. Y. Not E, but Y. Y. F. F. G. G. H. 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 E. Number 10. E. E. Number 11. E. E. E and E. We have got two types of E, short E and the long E. The first one, it is short E without any sign. So with sign, it is E, long E. Next, 12. Number 12, J, J. 13, the 13th. So, K, K. Number 14, L, L. Number 15, M, M. Number 16, N, N. 17, Ng, Ng. For example, Ang. Next, 18, Wo, Wo. 19, number 19, W, W. Number 20, 20, P, P. Number 21, K, K. Kazakhstan, Kazakh, K. Number 22, R, R. Number 23, S, S. Number 24, K, K. Number 25, O, O. O, ya. Lu. O. So number 26, number 27, V, V. For example, vase. Number 28, O, O. Others. Number 29, U, U. Number 30, Z, Z. Number 31, Sh, Sh. Number 32, Ch, Ch.